Do you need a freeze-proof outdoor faucet or just a simple and durable one? We've got you covered. Here are the 5 best outdoor faucets available for you. Our first pick is the EZ Fluid Brass No Kink Hose Bib. This faucet is made of solid brass, ensuring durability and reliability. The no kink design offers a 60-degree angle hose spout orientation, perfect for preventing hose tangles when moving the hose to different locations. Next on the list is the SharkBite Frost-Free Silcock, which features a frost-free construction for continued performance in freezing temperatures. It also has an integrated vacuum breaker to prevent backflow. This faucet is designed with a 1/2-inch push-to-connect inlet that is compatible with PEX, copper, CPVC, PERT, and SDR9 HDPE pipes. Our third pick is the American Valve M71 QT quarter-turn hose bib. With integrated PTFE seats in a full-port ball valve construction, you can count on sustained high performance even with regular use. This quarter-turn hose bib is made with a forged brass body, providing strength and reliability. Fourth on our list is the Prior C144 Anti-Siphon Freezeless Hydrant, which features an anti-siphon aluminum vacuum breaker with an EPDM backflow preventer. This hydrant valve is also freeze-proof, ensuring it works flawlessly even in the coldest weather. Last but not least, we have the Merrill AnyFlow Frost-Proof Yard Hydrant. This hydrant is designed for year-round use, providing frost-proof operation even in extreme weather conditions. Its reliable full-lever control allows the AnyFlow to run at a trickle to full flow. So there you have it, our top 5 outdoor faucets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tips.